Now this problem may not affect everybody, but if you've got an asphalt driveway, chances are you'll be faced with this sooner or later. And I'm talking about a pothole that might be in the center, or as we have here, a divot that was out of the side. It's pretty easy to repair. First of all, we're going to remove all of the loose debris, get it out of the way, clear it out. And in this case, as I was doing it, I found out that we had a rather massive root right in the middle of it, so we had to get the root out as well. Once that's out of the way, we're going to dig out that area. We want to square off the edges. In the center of a driveway, cut a square. Here I did somewhat of a triangle just to give me some good edges to go to. Now because it's on the edge, I've also put in an edge board to keep it in place. From that point, I was ready for my base, and this is important, folks. Make sure you're not putting this right on top of the dirt because it will settle. Put a nice base of either crushed limestone or, as we did here, some gravel. And now I'm ready for my blacktop repair. Pour it in, it's going to be messy, wear some old clothes, spread it out, get a steel rake, tamp it down. It looks nice now, but we're not quite through with it. What I'm going to do next is put a piece of plywood on top and drive a car right on top of it to help pack it in.